Meaning of due process.
Due process.
Due process.
Due process.
Due process. Due process is a legal principle that ensures fair treatment and protection of rights for individuals involved in legal proceedings. It guarantees that the government must respect all legal rights entitled to a person under the law, such as the right to be heard and the right to an impartial trial. This means that no one can be punished without a fair and impartial hearing, and all individuals are entitled to a fair and impartial trial, with proper notice and an opportunity to be heard. Ultimately, due process ensures justice and protects individual liberty.